When you look at a hive, what you might not appreciate is that inside that hive, those 80,000 bees, each and every bee has got a specific job to do. And usually that job is dictated by how old that bee is. So when the bees are, when they hatch, they are given general housekeeping jobs to do to keep the hive tidy. They then will progress on to be a nurse bee, and they will help rear the new baby bees, the new brood. They then go on to produce wax to help build the bee comb. They then progress, probably when they're about 4 weeks old, they will progress to being a foraging bee. So the bees that you see out in your garden, you can guess roughly that they're between 4 and 6 weeks old. Sometimes you'll see a bee out and she's got really raggy wings, and that will tell you that she's done a lot of flying, and that she's probably coming close to being gone.